Okay guys, we are going downtown to buy something to eat because the shops might close and we're going to dinner. Hey, look at these little ulus. Hey, kama I ulu ah. Ha? Alifua yesu ulu. That's what you said. Oh, what's this colour? Oh, there, over there. Marua Fall College. No, she just said she already paid the insurance. So, hang on. Yang ada your clear throat. Oh yeah, she already paid the insurance, she said, and they charged her 1,400 something to Tala. Yeah, just email them and tell them don't take more than what it was already, talked about. No, don't do that kind of rubbish to us. Yeah, I think there is an insurance, just in case the car crashes.
But anyway,
I don't know how it works, but I think it's like a lucky tip. You take a gamble. Oh my God, Faye el muscle. Bye.
Let's go around a friend.
Yeah. Your guess is good as mine. Oh, look at that balang in his backpack. Yeah. And I hope they like it in Samoa. Want them to go and spread the word and say hi to mai, I feel mai. It's like a high school barbecue, eh? Hey, if only we had time, eh? Go to one of those King Faye Popos from Singonga. Go and say, hey! Samoa Commercial Bank. Oh. This big Catholic church. Is it a Catholic church? Methodist. Oh, nice. Blue sky.
Sadly.
Oh, he's selling his eelies, eh? Kind of Faye. Oh, sad. He's in McDonald's eating, holding out. Who? Okay. Guys, here's a traffic light and Air New Zealand. And the Palangi lady over there. And my driver over here. And me. Hello!
Palangi le.
Huh?
I had a singer. Come on.
Okay. Come on, traffic light. Missed the picture. Oh, man.
Ele se vai mai ka pe vai me amari e voi se vai ne ka mai se vai a vai e
Hey, policeman. Policeman. Oh, there's another policeman. Where are you going, policeman? What's that place? Yeah. That fish and chips we had today was delicious. Delicious. This is Bluebird. Bluebird Electrical. Sangele Complex. Hey. Yeah. Oh, okay, you can go. You're bigger than us. Hey. Oh. Yeah. Nearly farted. Oh, look at the lady and the baby.
se vele ka o mai ani fiu e so e kuri Makeki kai
What? You don't know where the Makeki is?
o no mai ale
Oh, okay. You went the long way. Yeah, be careful, sis.
pa de me yer ka ko li mai ka ke
You're going into the spare parts, though. You can't go around? I don't know. Ai, sunga. Vai le taxi la sa. Vai maka. I don't know the way. Oh, it's just going to the market too. Isn't this an exit? Yeah, it looks like an exit only, sis. This. Oh no, he's going in. Oh yeah, indicate. Oh, he's letting us through. Oh, thank you. Hey. Go, sis. Okay, thank you. You behave yourself. Here we go. I haven't been here. Oh, look, nice dresses. What is this place called? Oh, lovely colours. Steamy. Oh. Yeah. Fifier. No, couldn't more. Yeah, poor. Look at those beautiful stores. Oh, God, Faye. Look how... See, how can anyone go hungry in Samoa when there's plenty of food? Plenty. You just got to work hard to get all your stuff together. Look at all that pawpaw. And go pisi sainga. I love bok choy. So what, this is just a drive-by ISIS. What's that, an ISA? Oh well, we just have to wait for him to get his new, and then because you know we might go that way, a car come in, and then there'll be beep. Oh, the Vids, Oka, they're really big like this one. Look. Faye. No. Faye. I had a $10 here too. I could have just given it to him. Poor man. It's my $10. Okay. No, thank you. Don't. It's all right. We're nearly out together. Hey, yeah. Better go, sis. Better go. Don't worry about the taxi. Just go. Yeah, there we go. Yay. I don't know, sis. I can't help you. This is a... Oh, yeah, this is a student. Yeah.
It's a driver on it, Mia.
Oh, he's a lefty. Oh, there's still some left cars. Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh, yeah, see? There's Frankie Mall over there, guys. And then that market over there. All the taxis over here. Frankie Mall. Oh, sis, we got to get us some water. Bottle of water. Ah, put in our fridge. What there was so.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. Alright, this is where you can come and eat, guys. You can come and have a... Oh, the curry we had here the other day was really yummy. Yeah. Come on. There's Farmer Joe's over there and Burger Bill's. Yep. Okay, I'll turn it off for a little bit. It's gonna get hot. We're gonna go all the way down there now. Oh, look at everyone's. Look at all the footballs. Oh, look at this, guys. What big avocados. Look at those, $2 each. $1. What massive avocados. Look at this, guys. Wow. Oh, look at that baby. Can you hear that baby? Okay, someone has to hold that baby. Oh, you know, look, they used to be delicious when I was a kid. Yeah. Aku sa pēlu na sa ako, wala ka mawhai e crack open it. What happened? Oh, God. Look at this purple, guys. Look how big is it? Oh.